When women are empowered, they are brave enough also to leave a relationship that maltreats them. No? Because in my experience in the past, when women are in a partnership that has domestic violence in it, one reason why nakikipag-areglo na lang sila at binabalikan yung kanilang partner kahit na violent ang partner nila is wala silang pinagkakakitaan at wala silang source of income at yun din ang nagbibigay ng pantusto sa pamilya, no? So when they become economically empowered, well, first I believe that they will be more choosy in terms of who they choose as their partner, because now they know their self-worth, they know their value, and their value is not attached to any man. Their value is about themselves. So magbibigay sila ng halaga sa sarili nila, and a partner will now be somebody that complements them, not somebody that they will depend on or rely on, no? Yan ang mahalaga. So tingin ko, economic empowerment is really a key to many of the issues that women are facing in terms of the reason why they're not gender equal. And if we are able to address economic empowerment, I think we will go a long way towards gender equality, because kung may pinagkakitaan din, mas may oportunidad yung babae na makilahok sa magawain sa labas ng tahanan, 'di ba? They become active in the public space, and when they become active in the public space, chances are they might enter politics or they might become leaders, and when they are in a position and opportunity to help other people and to make decisions for the wider whole, not just for themselves.